Alright, y'all. See, this is what I'm talking about. I'm trying to work on this Rolling Loud video. See, I look over here and like, what's going on over here? Let me see, Tom. Hey. Okay, let me see what's going on. Where you get that dress from? I ain't seen that one.
New.
It's new?
You buy for me this stuff.
I did? How much I paid for that dress?
380.
380 baht? That's about $10. We done stepped our game up, y'all, from the $4 dress to the $10 dress. You dig? She just is happy. This is the blessing, man. I'm up here editing the Rolling Loud video, which I'm gonna show y'all. But first, let me show you the blessing, man. I'm out here covering the Rolling Loud. My man Reggie Martin, the Black Chinaman, hooked me up with this amazing hotel beach view. I live down there. And next week, my birthday yacht party 420 gonna be over there. Y'all see it? What a blessing, man. But I gotta get back to this episode, y'all.
Rolling Loud is here in Thailand with a full clip of amazing headlining acts and stage performances that is sure to tear the roof off. Some of your favorite artists like Fat Joe, Young Waka Flocka Flame, Rich the Kid, Tawapi Southside, Designer, Wonder Frame, Soulja Boy, and Chris Ryan. See, in Thailand, Chris is going to be welcomed with open arms. If it's your first time here, brother, get ready. Also, we got The Boss, Rick Ross, Travis Scott, The Baby, Bird, Ray Smurd, Smoke Perk, Central C, J Park, Teriyaki Boys, Young Goo, DJ Who Kid, Offset, Cardi B, and many, many more. You know what I'm about to say, right?
Get over here!
I'm the Travel OG, and I traded in my Hollywood lifestyle for the sexy beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. We're bringing you exclusive interviews, showing you what the golf courses are like, the caddies are like, what the homies like. Zoom to Thailand with your man Richie Mack, the Travel OG. All right. Rolling Loud, the world's premier hip-hop festival in Thailand. For fans of hip-hop in Thailand, this is great news as the festival has created a reputation for delivering top-notch performances from the biggest names in the industry. Since its inception in Miami in 2015, Rolling Loud has quickly established itself as the go-to destination for hip-hop fans worldwide, with iterations held in Los Angeles, New York City, and more recently in Europe and now Asia, with past lineups featuring the likes of Kendrick Lamar, J. Cole, Post Malone, Future, and Lil Wayne, among others. Thailand's been on the radar for Rolling Loud for quite some time, and finally this year, the dream will become a reality. The festival has pledged to bring the best of the best in hip-hop music, with the lineup featuring both international superstars and local talent. Apart from the exciting lineup of artists, Rolling Loud also prides itself on offering an immersive festival experience with a unique range of food vendors, art illustrations, merchandise, booths. Rolling Loud is sure to be a truly unforgettable event for all those in attendance. And that's not all. For those of you that couldn't make it out here to Thailand for Rolling Loud, Walking Street in Pattaya was bubbling. It reminded me of 2019 when I first landed here. Patreon members and subscribers, you know what you gonna get. I always tell you guys about Club 808, but tonight I'm gonna take you guys inside for a better look. Y'all ready? Let go. Now y'all know I can't play the top hits of today because they'll strike me into oblivion, but I'm gonna break it down for you. 808 is the go-to spot for hip-hop on Walking Street. Now they have other places as well, but 808 sits right in the middle of Walking Street, so you can't miss it. You get there around 10 o'clock and it's gonna look like a ghost town, but by 12, it's grilling in there. A nice mixture of people from all over the world joining together for what my generation created, which is this thing called hip-hop. Outside, you have a bunch of restaurants, fast food spots, 7-Elevens, and go-go bars. Walking Street in Pattaya is known for its vibrant nightlife, full of music, dancing, and neon lights. But did you know that it also has a rich history of cultural significance? Long before it became a hotspot for tourists, Walking Street was a simple pathway that connected the fishing village of Pattaya to its beach. Local fishermen would walk down the path to trade their catch with merchants from neighboring towns. Over time, this area grew and became a popular destination for travelers seeking sun, sand, and sea. Soon the path was paved and transformed into what we know now as Walking Street. As the popularity of Walking Street grew, so did its reputation for being a hub of entertainment. Bars, restaurants, and clubs opened up, each trying to outdo the other with their flashy neon signs and loud music. But amidst all of the partying, the spirit of Pattaya remains strong. Today you can still find traditional Thai massage parlors, street vendors selling local delicacies, and small Buddhist shrines tucked away in the corners of Walking Street. So the next time you find yourself walking down this bright and bustling street, take a moment to appreciate its rich history and the mix of modern and traditional culture that makes it such a unique experience. You dig?
Let go, booming. Guess we just walked into the room with the Mac from LA, making you say zoom, zoom. Into the greatest show on earth. Take the money, the women, and the fame. Now what's it worth? Millionaire close. Switch my style, cause I can. Black China man, billionaire flow. Wakanda forever. Neverland talk as long as I'm walking. I'm a passport stepper. Big game rapper. Flight attendant fetcher. Danny Glover, brother, using a lethal weapon. Every time you hear me, better every session. Ain't nobody near me, watch me giving lessons. This is how we zoom. I'm with a tribe full of brothers who be showing us love. This is how we zoom. No time for hating, get your passport and bro, hit us up. This is how we zoom. I'm with a tribe full of brothers who be showing us love. This is how we zoom. No time for hating, get your passport and bro, hit us up. Big bag.
I like your vibe. I like what you're doing. Me, you, and this brother here ought to get together, pool our funds together, and do something, man.
Like what?
You talking about investing in Thailand?
I am.
We can do 100K each.
Damn, he's a big baller, Fine. I wish I had 100. He said 100K. We just talking about it. Yeah.
He always talk.
Now you on camera. You can't be fronting for the ground. Like you mean it? You mean it?
I just bought a condo here.
Let's talk about it, brother.
This is exactly what I'm talking about. I meet a brother that watches Zoom to Thailand, and the next thing you know, we're talking about collaborating on getting properties out here. If you guys are interested in teaming up with the Travel OG and some like-minded brothers, let's get this thing together, man. Inbox me and let's talk about it. You dig? And don't forget to subscribe and comment and hit the like button and the notification bell. Anything else? And like Angry Man says, hit the cash app and support the show.
So hit that like, bang that bell, and don't forget to subscribe now. Come on, subscribe now.
Can you do me a favor? Can you say theme music?
Sorry?
Theme music.
Theme music.
Theme music.
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mac, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it popping. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mac, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, travel OG, let's go.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and notify. The algorithm is real.
Get a video. Do that again. Yeah, she's a. Oh shit, sucky.